The best laptops for programming money can buy, chosen by our expert reviewers. These laptops are perfect for coding with great battery life. 1. Apple MacBook Pro. MacBook is packed with a 2.6 GHz 6-core Intel Core i7 processor with turbo boost up to 4.5 GHz. Along with this, for gaming, it has an AMD Radeon Pro 5300M GPU. And for OS, it has macOS 11.0 Big Sur. The latest OS of Apple.it has 512GB SSD and 16GB RAM for faster performance of the device. It has a massive battery life of up to 11 hours. And to enhance the performance, it has 256GB SSD and 16GB LPDDR4X RAM. 2. Lenovo Ideapad L340 Gaming Laptop. Lenovo Ideapad L340 looks are attractive with a sleek design. For display, it has a 15.6-inch Full HD IPS display. For processors, it has a 9th generation Intel Core i5 processor. Moreover, to improve your gaming and video experience, it has the latest NVIDIA GeForce graphics card in it. Along with this, for OS, it has Windows 10 installed in it. It has 512GB NVMe SSD and 8GB DDR4 RAM, respectively. 3. Dell XPS 17 9700 Laptop. Dell XPS 17 9700 laptop are simple and elegant with bright colors. The screen size is humongous with a 17.0 inches UHD plus Infinity Edge Touch anti-reflective 500 nit display with 3840 by 2400 resolution that increases the viewing experience. It is packed with a 10th generation Intel Core i9-10885H processor paired with an NVIDIA RTX 2060 graphics card to double the experience of the user. This speeds up the performance and gaming experience. To boost the software performance, it has 32GB DDR4 RAM and a massive storage capacity of 1TB M.2 PCIe NVMe SSD in it. 4. Razer Blade Stealth 13 Ultrabook Laptop. It has a 13-inch Full HD matte display with a bright and vivid color scheme. It has a quad-core Intel Core i7 processor paired with an NVIDIA GeForce MX 150 graphics card. This combination of GPU and processor boosts the performance of the laptop. It has a massive 256GB SSD provided in it, and for memory, it has 16GB RAM that makes the performance faster. It is packed with a battery that lasts for 13 long hours. 5. Acer Aspire 5 Slim Laptop. Acer's new laptop Acer Aspire 5 comes with outstanding features. With AMD Ryzen 7 3700U processor. The operating system used is Windows 10 Home 64-bit. Along with this, for better gaming, it has AMD Radeon RX Vega 10 GPU. It has a massive 15.6 Full HD widescreen LED backlit IPS display. For storage, it has 8GB DDR4 memory and 512GB PCIe NVMe SSD. It has a huge battery life of 7.5 hours that keeps you going. By subscribing, you'll never miss out on our latest videos.